welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing a really quick get ready with me because I'm about to go out with one of my girlfriends. Saturday night, you know, go out, drink, dance, party, be merry, be young and dumb and broke, as they say. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a really quick and easy smoky eye. I'm trying to keep this literally under 10 minutes because you know the drill, I'm running late. So if you want to see my quick and easy smoky eye, stick around. But you know what to do. Press it. Press subscribe. I see some people have pressed subscribe since I've been saying it. Press subscribe. So let's get into it. So I'm going to use the Nubian palette just because I have all these Juvias palettes because I got the bundle. I'm going to use this nude color here. These don't have they don't have names on them, so I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna actually let me put primer on because I didn't. So the eyeshadow primer is just gonna make the black pop. I'm just putting the eyeshadow primer on. You can use any primer. This is what I got in one of my sample boxes, one of my beauty boxes I mean. And I'm really just putting it on the lid because that's the part that we're gonna go ahead and smoke out. So yeah, so what's everyone up to? I think I'm gonna post this for my tutorial Tuesday video. So don't quote me on that, but yeah. So this will probably go up on Tuesday. So everyone leave me a comment. What'd you do over the weekend? I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. So this is just like an iridescent color. Next, I'm gonna go straight in with this dark color. This is a Juvias single shadow I got. And it is just, it's like black. I have a flat brush. What is this? This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. So I'm gonna just take a little bit. And you know the Juvias Place shadows are very pigmented. And I'm just gonna like place it on and then I'm gonna blend it out. I don't want it to get everywhere, and I have my setting powder under here to catch any fallout. Hopefully there's no fallout. Oh, there already is fallout actually. Oh my god, and the fallout fell like under where I had the setting powder. Okay, when that happens I do like this. Oh my god, there's fallout everywhere. Ah! Let me tap this off. Hold on. I hope this isn't a crisis. I hope this isn't a crisis. Ah! Alright, so let me do this side. Have a like a pointed blending brush. I think it's a tapered blending brush. This is my BH Cosmetics one, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start to kind of wing this out just a little bit, just with what I have on here. And if you can see, I'm not going too close to the front because you don't want it to be like looking crazy over there. So I just kind of take it from the middle outwards, and you can see I'm kind of making the wing shape that I want. can see. Alright, I'm taking just a little more shadow and kind of building it up just a little more, because you kind of lose a little bit of intensity when you start blending it out like that. You can see it's very like soft. It's like a soft smoky eye. So it's kind of like the wing I did. If you saw my daytime to nighttime transformation, it's kind of like that, only bigger. I don't like the front of my eyes to look too smoky, just because my nose is so wide. Like, you don't want to bring your I don't bring my shadow that close to my nose. I keep it kind of far away, just to kind of, you know, separate but equal. Keep it separate but equal. Okay. So this side is more of what I was going for. This side's okay, but just not as good as this one. So, yeah. Okay. So, I think that's smoky enough. And this one just went down a little too far. Alright, so I'm going to clean this up and then we'll do the bottom lash line, blush, highlight, and we're done. Okay, so I'm just gonna line my bottom waterline with black liner. This is just my Makeup Geek, but you can use any liner you have. And this was that brush that I packed on the shadow with, so I didn't add any more, and I'm just gonna smoke this out down here. Yeah. And I just cleaned this up. I took a paper towel and kind of did this because it was a little too low down here, so you can see they kind of match better. And that is a quick and easy smoky eye. I would just say do it before your foundation, you know, just in case. And you can do this with any color. You could do it with a brown, you could do it with a blue, like a purple, a dark color, a bright color. If you want to use like just like a bright shadow instead of a dark smoky shadow, you could do that. And you don't need any eyeliner. I'm just gonna put some mascara on just because the shadow kind of gets all over your lashes when you're doing this. So I'm just putting mascara on. And I'll finish my face. And I put my little red half wig on for tonight. For Saturday night. This is like so bright. Oh my god. The Juvias shadows are like so pigmented. I'll just do all my highlight with that same color. People always ask me, oh my god, what highlighter are you using? Like, honestly, a lot of times I use eyeshadows as highlights because I like want it to match my eyes, you know? So no highlight, it's a shadow. So I always highlight right in between the center, the little tip of my nose, button nose action going on. And I just kind of bring it in the middle, down the bridge. Not too much. Okay. I just want to highlight. And this is what the color looks like here. It's this kind of, it's like peachy goldy silvery. Gilver, it's like gold, silver, peach. For the gods. Woo! That's very, very blinding. And this is an eyeshadow, by the way, guys. So, yeah. I'm actually just gonna place it first and then I'll blend it out more. And since it's nighttime, I'm gonna take the shimmery blush here. This one. This is from the Juvias Saharan 2 blush palette. And I'm gonna put it on the apples of my cheeks. Usually I will put it in the back, but it's nighttime, so I can just, you know, be extra. And yeah. Oh my gosh. This is like so highlighty. I'm just gonna do a nude lip because I mean this is quite a lot. Okay, I'm gonna take my MAC Bittersweet Memories, that's all I'm taking with me, lip liner. Blot it together. It's like super pigmented. But you can use any brown lip liner. And I'm taking this, this is the Ultra Satin Lip from ColourPop. iluvsarahii X ColourPop, and this is 951, which is like a Cali area code. You can see this here. And I'm just gonna put that on. So you got that. It's like literally like almost the same as my skin. It's crazy. And then I take this other color. It's called Exaggerated. I just like tap it in the middle, kinda. This by itself looks like how much? Like I swear I look like a hooker when I wear that. Just, ow. Hey big boy, you looking for some company? Yeah, nice 10-minute video. This is gonna take forever. This is way longer than 10 minutes. Okay, so then I spread. That was my Mario Badescu. This is the green tea spray, and I use it as setting spray just because it makes it dewy. It makes you nice and glowy and watery. And this is my Cover FX illuminating. The Cover FX illuminating setting spray. You see, it just kind of makes everything like meld together. So yeah, so I'm gonna go out for girls' night out and have some fun. Yeah, and you guys have an awesome week. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, press subscribe, follow me on my Instagram at GLITZGLAMFIX. I have a Facebook too at GLITZGLAMFIX. Yeah, make sure you leave a comment, share, subscribe, like, all that jazz. And you can be in the Glitz Glam fam. Subscribe. Alright, this looks pretty good. It's like so shiny because of my setting spray. My contour is like crazy today. Bye guys.